Meet Zaid. He makes a great salary, but by the 20th of the month, his bank account is a desert. He isn't buying Ferraris, so where is the money going? While Zaid sleeps, the ghost bots are at work. These are the silent leaks. The $10 streaming service he forgot to cancel, the $15 gym membership he never uses, and the $5 premium app he used once in 2024. Individually, they look small, but together, they create a massive drain. In 2026, the average person wastes over $1,000 a year on subscriptions they don't even remember having. That's a free vacation, thrown into a hole. Zaid wakes up and puts on his audit glasses. He stops looking at the balance and starts looking at the transaction history. It's time for a hunt. One by one, he cuts the leaks. If he hasn't used it in 30 days, it dies. He finds a free trial that's been charging him for 2 years. Slash. He finds a duplicate cloud storage. Slash. The leaks are plugged. Zaid moves that found $150 a month into a high-yield savings account. Now, instead of bots stealing his money, the shield is earning him interest. He didn't get a raise, he just stopped the bleeding. Are ghost bots stealing your future? Open your banking app right now and find 3 leaks. Subscribe to Business World, Money and Wealth to master your machine.